Well, hello YouTubers. Yes, another video. This video is going to be all about my aircon. Yeah. So when I bought the car, it was obviously a lot colder. Now the sun's come out. I use the aircon, and obviously it works, but it's not like minus temperatures. And I want to take it over, see if I can get it regassed, if that's all it requires, if there's something wrong with it. Hopefully not. Yeah. So I'm going to set off. It's about 20 miles away, the place that is doing it for me. There's going to be an hour or so wait, but I'd sooner that than be let down. And yeah, here's hoping that it's all good. Right, let's start driving and get going. I was going to do a temperature reading. Obviously, like I say, it feels cold, but I want it to like freeze my nuts off basically. So let's get going. So here we go. It's a little noisy, but I'm over at the Halfords Auto Centre, the service part. Yeah, I had a brief conversation with them basically regarding my aircon. Told them that it's blowing cold, but not cold enough. So what they're going to do, I looked at buying the kits actually before I carry on, and the kits were about £59 plus the actual nozzle we used to put it in the car was about another £20. And I thought, well, they're offering a great deal at the minute where they actually do it for £50 odd and they do a free check. So yeah, it's over here to get done. A little bit noisy with traffic, and I'm just going to go for a wander around the industrial estate, and then they estimate roughly about an hour, but I'm going to walk slowly anyway and see what's going on. Typically I brought my jacket because it was spitting with rain, but now the sun's out. Anyway, let's carry on. Here we go, back at the centre. I won't obviously film in the centre out of respect and all that stuff, but let's go and collect my car, see what the issues are, if there were any, and give you a talk through. Well, I'm back home. Took an hour and 12 minutes to roughly travel 20 odd miles. A nightmare. The aircon is working. I mean, it's blowing cold air, but there is a but. It's not super cold, so maybe it's just a Ford thing. But I'll pop the bonnet, have a quick look, show you around, and then conclude the video. Look, I've de-badged it. Might as well. Yeah, just getting in the car. It's really windy. What I'm trying, it's an experiment. I came out to check the brake fluid because a little light come up, but it's fine. Yeah, what I'm trying is this button. Now, having actually done some reading about air conditioning, in the hot days, like it is today, very hot, if you put the recycle air button on, it actually takes the cold air from the car and then repumps it through the system and makes it cooler still. So I was just going to test it, because I think that's what I was doing wrong. So now I can hear the air conditioning pump coming on. That's on full blast. Yeah, that's really cold. That's really good. Yeah, so that little trick seems to work. So apparently when you start off in the car, you start the AC, put the recycling air after a little bit, and it does exactly that. So I'm hoping that makes the world of difference. I've had a quick look at the condenser on the front of the car. That doesn't look too dirty, because they're quite well protected on these. So, but obviously when I do a bumper change and a wing change, I will give it a clean anyway. But yeah, that's going to be for a future video, along with maybe some choo-choo bits. Let's see. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bit of a video, because I was obviously travelling around a bit and things were happening. So hopefully next week there'll be another video. We'll see. Anyway, as per usual, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button. The numbers are slowly going up, which is really cool. I really appreciate that. And thanks for watching.